You have to get into the skin of the character because a lot of times the characters that you're playing uh, may not have the same moral standards that you have, may not have the same mindset, may not have the same uh, wavelength. You know, you may not believe in in their belief system, and so uh, that takes a lot of research for you to be able to empty yourself and not bring in your biases and prejudices about a particular character. So that's what I normally do also, and that's the reason why in the last uh, productions that I've had since I started, I take it very seriously, and I consider it as a compliment when people say that you really brought the character into life, and the acting is very organic because I really think a lot. It's a lot of people are saying that the most difficult part is performing. Actually, the most difficult part is not that, but the research that goes into it before you can perform it on stage. Because if you don't do the research, then you wouldn't be able to bring the truth of the character to life, and the audience won't appreciate it.